Hello everyone! Here, we present a new tutorial for the brand new AI board from System Electronics, Astrial. In this tutorial, we'll dive into the fascinating world of deploying AI models on embedded devices with cameras. Whether you're building a smart home security system, a drone that can avoid obstacles, or a wildlife monitoring camera that identifies animals, this guide will give you the tools and knowledge to turn your ideas into reality with a simple example. Only a small number of materials are needed for this project. One Raspberry Pi CM4 I/O board, one Astrial board, and an InnoDisc USB camera. Once you have these items ready, let's move on to the hardware setup. To begin, connect your USB camera to the CM4's USB port. Additionally, you will need to connect a monitor to the HDMI port so you can view the video stream from the camera directly on your Astrial desktop. Now let's move to the software part. Copy the object detection script to your Astrial. This script will use GStreamer to detect objects and display the video stream. Make sure to use the correct IP address of your device. Now, we are going to connect to the Astrial via SSH. But to be able to see the video stream, you will need to use the Astrial directly with a keyboard and mouse. Before running the detection script, let's check the camera's available input resolutions and the device ID. In this case, we can see that our USB camera has ID/dev/video2 and supports a 1920 by 1080 input resolution. Finally, navigate to the detection directory and execute the script. Make sure to use the correct device ID and input resolution as parameters. As you can see, the camera is now streaming the video to the display, and the object detection model is recognizing different objects in the scene. Under the hood, Astrial is using the high-low neural network accelerator to run the object detection model. This example was taken from the high-low Tapas GitHub repository. You can find more examples like this inside apps/h8/gstreamer/imx8. Download the example you are interested in and follow the documentation to learn how to run the script.